السلام عليكم السلام عليكم. انا اوباما المصري اسكندراني.
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
What are you doing?
We're gonna replace the starter motor, this one here. Okay? Number one, take off the batteritos, then the air filter, then you get access to the starter motor, and the job will be done in half an hour. Okay?
Half an hour?
Half an hour.
Let me see.
Starter motoritos. Here we go.
I'm the assistant today.
I'm the assistant today. Then you take the positive. For the big the positive, you take this out.
It's the bracket.
I need another small one.
A small one?
Yeah.
All right.
Then this one will come off.
Remove the positive battery terminal.
Yeah.
And move this. Apparently we're mechanics now. We watched a YouTube video how to do this. Oh! What did we lose?
This one.
Oh shit, okay.
Okay.
We can't lose this. Otherwise, we'll be screwed. Put it right there.
Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah.
Keep track of your parts.
Huh?
Yeah, the sensor. There's a clip right here, look. This clip right here.
There.
Push down on it. And then pull.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah.
See?
This one out. And this one here. And this one here. Oh.
Oh, we need to take that part off.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Let me see what we need.
Yeah. Screw there. Yeah. Oh, here. Here. Screwdriver there.
That one?
And need something here. What goes here?
Oh, you need the adapter, look. Use this right here. Put it on the end of this.
Let me see. Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Beautiful. See this one? The screw there.
Loose? Oh, nice.
Okay.
Let me see.
And the air filter. And the air filter. The air filter.
Air filter.
Okay. What is this screw?
What do you...
This here, go have a look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Take it off. Here. Here we go. Okay. Oh, here we go.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Here.
Take this down.
So we got the air filter housing, the air filter out,
Okay.
the bracket, the battery. Hey. Oh shit.
Go here.
Let me see.
Here. Okay. Out. See? Out.
Beautiful.
Now,
Now what?
I need one here.
All right, here.
I need to take
Try this one.
This one.
This one maybe?
Yeah, this is the one. Beautiful.
All right.
Then
We had to make a breaker bar. I have a wrench. There we go. Loosened up.
loosen it up.
All you do is use a wrench. Let me see. Just use this as leverage.
Okay. One. Try to get the other one.
All right. That one's hidden. Can't even see it.
Yeah. Here we go.
All right, yo. That baby is hard. We got it.
Yeah, go back again.
I gotta readjust.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Oh shit. Here. Okay, we got it loose with this bad boy. Hey. We got it. Finally. We saved about $500 doing this ourselves.
Okay.
Okay, got one. Got those bolts out. Put it right there.
Okay.
Crank that. Do a little disco party.
Disco ball.
Why didn't we just have the mechanic do this?
Wow. Wow, you couldn't fucking wow. Wow, as a mechanic.
It's easier.
Is a genius. First thing is just can do it yourself. Is that what I mean? Was a mechanic a human being like you?
Yeah,
Or you come from a different planet?
I'm from a different planet.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Yalla.
Here we go.
Yalla. Beautiful.
Ah.
Now, let me see this. Use two hands. Oh.
Oh.
Is that it?
Yeah. Oh wow.
Wow. What's up? Beautiful.
There we go.
What is that? Let's see it. What is this? Is the starter.
Start the motor. Oh, see this one here? Huh? Because it's come down. It's supposed to be inside. Yeah. Give me the other starter motor there.
All right. Here's the new starter.
It's a new one. A new one. It's gonna go this way.
Here.
Here we go.
Oh, it just slides right in.
Okay, give me the screw.
Beautiful. That's easy.
Give me the screw.
All right, what's next? What do you need? The screw? Here's one. So put the screws back in. Look at this.
There we go.
That wasn't too hard. That was easier than most would think. Especially on this car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Try to hold the other one as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Getting leverage. Nice.
That's it.
That's it. Let me see. What else?
Here. Take this out. Take this. Take the washer as well. See?
No, it just slides right there. Just tighten it up.
Yeah, where the screw? Give me the wrench. Yeah.
Better. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay. Then this one.
What is it? Oh, okay.
This one.
The sensor.
Yeah.
Plug it back.
Plug it back this way. You plug it back this way. See? Huh? Okay.
And that's it.
See the sensors go? Yeah. Yeah. Here's the filter.
I'm gonna put the filter box back in.
Where we My assistant is taking over.
Taking over.
Time it up, motherfucker.
Hey, I need an extension. Can you give me my extension, please?
Fuck you.
What?
What's extension?
Right there.
This one? Okay, okay, boss. Now he's making me one.
Hey.
Okay, we're gonna tap the screw here. Go back, 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw. Okay. But the starter motor is good. It's finished. It's nice.
Okay, this is done. What's next? I need to get the air filter.
The mechanic said I have an appointment for another month. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Air filter.
Is it? It looks clean, right?
Air filter.
Yeah,
You
it's
see
good.
it up there? See? Need the air filter. Give me the other cover. Beautiful. So this one. We put this and this one here.
All right, put that back on. What else?
And this one here.
Everything looks good. The new starter.
Let's see. Yeah. How we put this one here?
Yeah.
Good.
Looks good.
Here. This one here. Got the screw. Here.
Line that.
Here. Okay.
What's up?
Okay. Go and start the car, Jesse. Wait. Let's just not start the car.
Make sure there's no more parts we have to put on. Alright, we're gonna test it. Which is oh, hold on, the battery's not even hooked up yet. You gotta put the positive on.
1 sec.
Don't try it yet.
Got this one here. Got this one here. 1 second, Jesse. 1 second, limit. Okay.
This one, yeah. Here, I'll tighten this one with my hand.
Okay, tighten it up.
Now finish it with the wrench here.
Okay. Cover this. Cover.
What do we
this.
do? All right, cover it up. I mean, it should
Just 1
start.
second. Take everything. Everything is out.
Look.
Everything is out.
No tools left.
Can you give it a start, please? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
Uh-oh.
Start.
Whoa!
Hey! Hey!
What's up?
That's it. It works. That's it. Good. Turn it off. Start again. Start again. Start again. That's it. Okay. Happy? That's it. Okay, let's go.
Good job, bro.
Okay. Thank you, and my assistant too. Thank you very much, man. You did a good job.
Hey, we did a teamwork.
Yeah, teamwork. Teamwork. Thank you. Oh, the new start today. This is start today.
We saved $500.
$500.
$500.
Okay. Okay.
Let me see if it will drive.
Okay.
No, this is a starter mode. It's just got nothing to the engine.
Yeah.
Shut the hood. Hey. And that's it.
السلام عليكم السلام عليكم. أنا أبابا المصري اسكندراني.